there guys, welcome back to another Python tutorial. So in this Python tutorial we're going to be going over the video we did last time with the XP generator. Now we have a few things that we need to fix up in here because I realized without fixing them the code isn't going to work at all. First thing is this here. So this menu here is referencing this function here at this point. So we want to go ahead and we want to go menu underscore list so that it refers to something different. And we're going to have to change it in both places. And so I had to make this video quick so that I could get you guys that information prior to you actually making this software. Anyway, now that we've got that out of the way, we can go ahead and we can program in the levels. So obviously you can chop a normal tree at any level in RuneScape. If you want to chop, say, an oak tree, you have to be level 15. So if current level is equal to is greater than or equal to 15, then you can chop tree. Else, print you do not have the required level. And if we go ahead and copy and paste this, chuck this here, change this to a 2. What level is it that you can chop willows at? I think it's 30. Yeah, 30. Okay, so change that to a 30. If we go ahead and test this now, that should work. Let's go ahead and test it then. Alright, so we're down at the console now. If we go ahead and restart this, you can see we have our leveling system. Let's try chop an oak. That actually worked. Hold on. Oh, we're on the wrong software. Hold on. Run this one. Okay. Chop an oak. You do not have the required level. Not an option. That is a bug there. So if we chop, oh, why does B return not an option, but C doesn't? That is very strange. Oh, hold on. Let's go back to the code. As a note to you guys, when you're making code, always make sure to do an elif rather than an if. So these two here, it was only referencing the C as part of the else, because it was if, else. So you need if, elif, else. So if we go ahead and run this now, go ahead and rerun it, we can go B for an oak, you do not have the required level. C for a willow, you do not have the required level. A to chop tree, obviously we can chop as many trees as we want to get up our level. Come on, it's a bit slow. Once we 3 levels to go, 2 levels to go, 1 level to go. Alright, there we go. So now we should be able to chop an oak. Yep, and it will let us chop an oak, and we can still not chop a willow. But that is how you would restrict the player from chopping trees that you don't want them to chop, or doing things that you don't want them to do. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Alright, hello there guys. You've obviously made it to the end of the video, so you've obviously enjoyed it or had to watch the whole thing at least. So if you could consider subscribing, that would be a great help to my channel. If you have any suggestions for future videos, make sure to drop them in the comments below. Like the video to show your support to me so that I know whether you like the content that I'm making. And yeah, hope to see you in the